Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at, we'll learn how to create and send announcements in Canvas. In the last video, we learned how to embed your materials into your Canvas page. The materials, what I modeled doing actually was embedding materials for a PLC that I'm leading tomorrow with teachers at one of the schools that I support. So I need to send an announcement to them, just reminding them of the meeting and letting them know that the material's ready to go so that they can peruse the lesson plan or meeting agenda. I call the meeting agenda the lesson plan. That way they can peruse the materials, the plan, and get acquainted with what they're going to be doing, what we're going to be doing as a group before we meet. So what I need to do is go into the Canvas page. Then you'll see in your menu bar on the left, announcements. So I don't like to reinvent the wheel. It's not something that I particularly like doing, and so my announcements tend to be very similar to each other. So this is the last time that I sent an announcement. So it's probably going to be very similar to this one. So, well, if I go into edit, then I need, that way I can grab the formatting as well, because I do like how I use different colors and what I have here. Alright, so go back to announcements. So I will click Add Announcement. Some of you may not have noticed what I did there. So I'm going to do that again, because I don't think I was explicit with what I was about to do. So if you want to do a new announcement, you need to look on the top right of your screen. You'll see a button, a rectangular blue button that I'm pointing to right here. It is a blue button that says plus announcement. Click on plus announcement. You'll see, much like with adding a page, you need to label the page or label the announcement. Go ahead and add my text here that I'm going to modify. And then I'm going to say what it is. And so 01/19 reminder. So reminder, 01/19/2021 professional learning community. So put today's date, 01/18/1. Happens to be Martin Luther King Day, so I'm going to write Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Spell that right. Tuesday, January 18th at 3 p.m. for our second PLC of the new year. I do sometimes will add my Bitmoji just to make it a little less bland. So go with that one. I just think it makes the message a little more friendly, and not so business focused. Why is this? Okay, yeah, that's how I want it to be. As soon as I hit save, it will send the message, automatically send the message to all my participants. Now, there are things you can do here with options. You can delay the posting. If you click that, you can control when your message is sent. And so you can control the date. You can also control the time. But I want my message to send now because it's 3 o'clock today on Monday, and so the PLC is literally in 24 hours. So I don't want to delay this posting any later than it already will be going out. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and it has now sent. Now, one thing that I do that it's definitely not, I mean, it's not something that I would consider required, but I do this extra step, is I will copy all of the text and I'll paste it into an email. I found that it's a really good idea to scaffold and support teachers with technology, because when teachers get messages through platforms that they feel insecure using, it's a good idea to pair it with an email so that they can access the message in more than one location. And I tend to, whenever I send reminders about PLC, I attach it to a previously sent message so that all of my reminders are in one thread. So let me find that email. Here we go. This is it. All right, so I will reply all to this message. I will paste it right here. All right. Okay, I think we're good. make sure that everything looks right here. Okay. So that, sometimes I will change the subject, and I just want to make sure that the subject doesn't seem strange. Try to make this bold. I spelled the name wrong. You just spell that correctly. Okay. All right. I can't believe I did that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Cool deal. All right, so that is how you send announcements in Canvas. If you have any questions about how to do that, please reach out with questions to me, and I will help you out with any announcements that you want to send to anyone via Canvas. All right, the next video will be on how you can create and use discussions in Canvas. All right, have a good one.